what's up? This is the Bull. How y'all doing? I'm out today building along this fence here 16-foot cow panel trellis to support all those heavy squashes, baby. I'm coming strong now. So I'm gonna be putting up that trellis up here, putting in the post in. I already have a post over there that supports my my apples. I have it espalier on the fence over there, and coming down this way over here, I'm going to put that cow panel trellis up and just grow all vine type squashes on this side here, those big cucutzas and whatnot. So, yeah. I'm getting too good at this, man. 18 inches on the dot without even checking. It's like, you know, you put up so many fences, it just becomes natural. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you all are having a wonderful day wherever you locate at. It's just here in Georgia, Zone 7A. Today it feels like it's 70 degrees out here. It's probably not that high, but it's just wonderful. Got my little fire pit going over there. I just love a fire pit when I'm working outside. And got my fire going. So, get him cemented in a little bit. Just want to check and make sure that my other trellis is going to line up. So that's good. So what's going on with you guys tonight? Who's out in the garden? Or who is editing videos? Either way, we're doing the same thing, baby. Just wonderful. Yesterday, when I was out in the garden, I was walking. I saw some movement from the ground up toward a tree, and I looked up, and there was a hawk. A nice-sized hawk was just laying up on the tree up there, and so I don't know if he was, staking out my chickens or my neighbor's chickens or whatnot, or he was just looking for any opportunity for a squirrel or anything. But I marched my chickens right to the run and locked them up for the day. Good thing they only had like maybe 2 hours left before they would go in anyway. But yeah, I don't want to take no chances, so I locked them up for the day and stuff. So, but that's the chances you take, you know what I mean, when you have free range of chickens. So I hope it never happens. I'm always on the lookout, and I stay active in the yard just so that, predatory things like that, hawks and, anything that could take my chicken, knows that the bull is here to throw a nice rock at you if I have to. Or break out with the needle. So that's the chances I take with free range. So that's that's how it is. So hope never happens, because I'm very attached to my birds now. Oh, what the hell? I was about to dig my hole in the wrong spot. Hey guys, so what's up, man? I decided to take a break from finishing off that trellis that I was building over there. Got plenty of time, so I took a break, and the reason I took a break was my wife just hollered out to me and told me that I had some mail. So I want to share with you guys my little mail call today. So let me take my gloves off so I don't get whatever's in here dirty. All right, so I'm ready to do battle this year. Ready to do battle. Wherever I land, baby. You put me wherever you want. All right. So you know what time it is, right? You know what time it is. So I received my shirt today. See that? I received my Shed Wars shirt today, so I'm gonna be representing, baby. All right, so it's a nice looking shirt. Nice looking shirt. You know, you got the shed there. You got the shed, and you got whoever, you know. But we'll call it the woodcutter and Willie Grow, John Willie Grow, and Mark, the woodcutter, throwing stuff at each other from over the shed. Come this new year on Shed Wars. I'm after everybody, even teammates, man. Uncle Pappy's out. He's roasting teammates, you know, old ladies, you know. See ya next month. Look at Lana over there and Beyonce stealing all my worms. I need those worms for my garden, man. Stealing all my worms.